Hello guys! Today, I will show you the best Victorinox watches of 2024 based on specifications. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army I.N.O.X. Red Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a red rubber strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Red dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Band length, 8 inches. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Number 6. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Blue Dial Watch. Black carbon case with a blue textile paracord strap. Fixed black carbon bezel. Blue dial with luminous gunmetal hands and Arabic numeral hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case size, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 13 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Number 5. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Black Dial Watch. Black carbon composite case with a black rubber strap. Fixed black carbon composite bezel. Black dial with luminous black hands and index hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type, analog. Caliber SW200 automatic movement with a 38-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute. Number 4. Victorinox FieldForce Chronograph Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel with an inlaid black ring showing tachymeter markings. Dial type, analog. Chronograph, quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 12 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Butterfly clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions, chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army AirBoss Chronograph Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Chronograph, caliber 7750 automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Deployment clasp with a push-button release. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions, chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Number 2. Victorinox FieldForce Sport GMT Quartz Watch. Gunmetal PVD stainless steel case with an orange rubber strap. Fixed gunmetal PVD bezel with a black ring. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Military watch style, Swiss made. Number 1. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Professional Diver Watch. Stainless steel case with an orange textile strap. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous silver tone hands and dot hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type: analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size: 45 millimeters. Case thickness: 14 millimeters. Bandwidth: 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Swiss made.